Now, I know I usually do these animal observation videos on Mondays, but because we're learning about animal adaptations, I thought it would be a good opportunity to feed the frogs while we observe their adaptations. And as I mentioned in previous videos, I have to find some pretty small worms. That's the biggest one I found. But I'm going to drop several in until they start to notice, and then we'll maybe see them have some breakfast. And while I'm feeding them, I want you to look at them and see what kind of physical adaptations that they have that help them survive in their water environment. So all of our worms are in there. See if they'll start swimming around to get them. Sometimes it takes a while for them to notice that they're in there. But one of the adaptations that I notice about our frogs is these webbed feet. Those webbed feet help them swim around in their aquatic environment. And they also have those strong, powerful legs for swimming and some frogs for jumping. I didn't feed them yesterday with the hopes that when I fed them today, they would go right after the food. I'm not having as much success as I thought. We still have one tadpole. You can see him there in the back. He has not absorbed his tail, and he is growing some front legs, but his tail's quite long still. And here comes one that looks like he might be interested. And I put 5 or 6 in there because I have 9 frogs. I want them all to get something to eat. Keep watching until somebody goes over and gets a worm. They know something's up. They're starting to smell them. Breakfast has begun. There's 3 of them. Each have a worm. They kind of use their front hands to kind of keep the food in their mouth, scoop it in.